So how? Hey, check this out. Hey, Jim, watch this. This is gonna really fuck you up. How old are you? How old are you? There you go. So if you're 18, right? Now watch this. You ever hear of Earth is my turf? Well, you don't believe anything. See, Navy, we see shit and we see shit. So Earth is my turf. Oh, well, it ain't rocket science. There we go. Here, we got it down here. Oh, no, don't hurt me. There we go. So Earth is my turf. Oh no. Come on, Jimmy. Be nice. Be nice. Of course it is. You're here with us, aren't you? Physically, okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, now right.
Ladies and gentlemen, wake up.
Be sure.
I gotta take a sip. That's my Uncle Rodney over there. He's the educated one, right?
How you doing?
Even though I been to college and all this other shit. But the deal is he's the one that's the silent one that he's looking at.
He's like Mr. Miyagi.
No. No, Mr. Miyagi's. Not on the Karate Kid. Fucking ain't no. He's worse than yoga. You remember Star Wars?
Oh, yeah.
Did I say yoga?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. What are you turning red for? But no, anyway, meanwhile, back at the ranch, the deal is I gotta take a sip. You see how he clenches that fucking thing? Yeah. See it? You see it? Yeah. See, I mean, shit. You know, once you get to a certain age, right? You're 18, right? Yeah. I'm 37, right? So once you get to a certain age, right? Don't piggyback off that, dickhead. What? But what I'm saying is, once you get, I mean, dickheads are beautiful. Mine is probably better than yours. But anyway, but what I'm saying, sorry, couldn't help it. I told you this is gonna be comedy. This is a party fucking train. You get it? But I sit and take my fucking sip. So my deal is that you're 18. You're something in between. And the deal is that yeah, you're digging. He's an asshole.
Ladies and gentlemen, 22nd Street is our next stop. 22nd Street.
What do you mean it's okay? So that must mean you are an asshole.
Alright.
No, but once you get to a certain age, hey, check this out. Once you get to a certain age, as a guy, like guy to guy, certain things happen, and it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. You know what happens? Here, I'll give you a little tidbit of guy secrets when all females, right? No, well, hold on. Hey, whoa. Right? You're not supposed to. I'm not supposed to respond. Because we got 8 females. 7. We have 7. But I'm acknowledging it. So here's the acknowledgement.
But now let's just talk about it.
Be nice.